CRC is a real-time resource tool for human service professionals, law enforcement, juvenile justice, child welfare, education,
Did you come here and steal that
Yes,
food?
sir.
Why'd you do that? Why'd you do that?
I'm in a homeless shelter right now. I needed something for food tomorrow because I go in there. They wake me up at 4. I go to work, don't come home till 5:30. That whole day I'm walking around, no food, nothing. Okay.
Community
understand.
Resource Connector by CSG.
For his sake, he doesn't have a bad criminal record, and he just seems to be in a bad situation. He just made a bad decision today.
Need to help the homeless. Who do you call on? Need to feed the children. Who's got your back? Will connect you to a service that you're in need of. Will help you serve your purpose. The community is your home.